Hey, Cook Chef Kendra here, and welcome to my 100,000 subscribers extravaganza, or special, or yeah. That's you and I do what we do and make it happen. Chef Kendra, you can see right up there that is me, my logo. This is real-time updating live. Although I'm not gonna sit here and wait for me to get 100,000 subscribers, I am going to turn the camera off, go about my business, and come back because I don't get subscribers every second. So it's at 99,990. I am so close. I'm 10 subscribers away from my 100,000 subscriber goal. And I had that goal from day one. And I'm gonna tell you something, I'm looking forward to my YouTube Creator Award silver play button. What's funny is, I'm never in the one to do too much celebration about my accomplishments. Like, I didn't go to my college graduation, you know, stuff like that. I'm just real chill like that. But this time is different. I am going to celebrate hitting 100,000 subscribers. Oh, as we sat here chatting, I have another subscriber. Thank you, subscriber. But I don't celebrate my accomplishments, and that's something I want to change. When I accomplish something, I want to celebrate it and enjoy it and embrace it instead of just being chill about it and just keep on moving. Nah, this time I am celebrating. I am stoked. I'm so hype. 100,000 subscribers, that is not easy. I mean, okay, look, it's easy for some people. Some people have a magnetic personality. Some people have beautiful looks. Some people know something that everybody wants to learn and can present it in a way that's amazing, and they get subscribers quickly, deservingly so. Some people just hit on a niche real quick and fly to the moon with it. Me, I had to grind and hustle and work hard for this possible 100,000 subscribers. And of course, it's still 100,000 people hitting that subscribe button. That's crazy when you think about it. Okay, I'm just turning the camera on now because it's 99,999. I've got one to go, and I'm just gonna turn the camera on. I'm just gonna leave the camera on and go about my day. It's 8 p.m. I'm gonna go about my activities and let it record. And this is a distraction, I guess. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna zip on out of here. I have 99,999 subscribers. One tick away from 100,000, and then I'll probably lose a couple, then it go back up. But I don't care about that. The minute it hits 100,000 subscribers, boom! Yes! Right when I was sitting here talking, right here when I was sitting here running my job, right here, right now when I was sitting here running my mouth, it flipped over to 100,000 subscribers, son. That is right. I have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm telling you, there is not a YouTuber that has been more happy about hitting 100,000 subscribers than I have. Yes! It happened at 8:01 p.m. April 25th, 2020. That's right, son. 100,000 subscribers. 100,000 subscribers in real time. Boom. Okay, guys, this is a cooking channel after all. So we're gonna drop a 2-ingredient kind of recipe. This is an appetizer. So we're gonna take some smoked sausage, and smoked sausage is already fully cooked. So I'm gonna get a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. I'm gonna spray it down with some vegetable oil that's in this mister or Spritzer. I don't know what's really going down with how they call it, but I love that thing. If you're interested, link in the description. Now, I'm using my homemade barbecue sauce, not bought in a jar and then doctored up. You know how we do. You know how we do. Nah, this is from scratch, son. I might share it with you guys in a future video. But use your favorite barbecue sauce. And we got the smoked sausage in the pan. Now we're gonna cook one side because we want to build a little caramelization on one side. I want it nice and brown. Now I'm gonna pour some of my barbecue sauce over these little bits of goodness. And do you see the action in the pan? That's the barbecue sauce caramelizing. It gets thicker, it gets stickier, and it makes the flavor deeper. And we're just gonna toss it around in that for a little bit. Now, if I was serving this for a party or doing some catering or whatever, they would be pretty, and you stick little toothpicks in them and make them very pretty. But this is just for me. I was gonna watch a movie, so I made this to celebrate my 100K, and I had got my YouTube award. It was the same day. I made me some kettle corn, and I sat in a big comfortable chair and I watched a movie. All right, I watch movies all the time, but this is one of my favorite appetizers. Now we're gonna make sure we get a little of that caramelized goodness on our sausage, guys. This is so good. It's one of those things. It's super simple, but it's very delicious. I only need one toothpick though, cause you know it was all for me. Now I'm just gonna open this guy up. Man, I'm so excited. It's been a long time in the making, like 5 billion years. Okay, 9 years. Still a long time. The letter that everyone gets. You wanna read it, just freeze it. Or I can just read it to you. You've done something that very few YouTuber creators accomplish. You have an astounding 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that number on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you've created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you have accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all the hard work. The Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan, the CEO of YouTube. Now, everyone gets this letter. I think it's the exact same letter for everyone. Okay, on to the good stuff. Oh, there's a card. Rick. Thank you, Rick. Look at that, guys. Oh, can I move this back? Yeah, I can. Look at this, guys. Wow. Wow, that looks awesome. Presented to Chef Nguyen for passing 100,000 subscribers. Yo guys, never let other people's expectations of you define you. Follow your dreams, your passions. Believe in yourself and never give up. And never let others convince you to quit. Hey guys, I just want to wrap this up by thanking you all, and it really means a lot to me that you took the time to subscribe to my channel and watch some of my videos. I mean, I've always done these videos just to give everyone who subscribes a recipe or two that they can use. on a regular basis and that their families enjoy. Nothing bigger than that, just to share a little. So thank you. That's it. Chef KENDRA'S out. Peace.